Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to do some exercises to strengthen our back and shoulders. Get the amount of weights you would like, not too heavy because we're going to be lifting to the side so the arm is not as strong doing a laterally raising. So let's start with some press back, so feet parallel, and we're just going to press it back and then go to the thigh. And feet are parallel, squeezing the shoulder blades towards each other. Oh, that's beautiful. And try to keep the arms straight without bending the elbows, but they're not locked as well. So squeeze it back. So we'll do this for about a minute and go at your own pace. I do offer memberships now, so head over to glorifiedbodiesfitness.com. Check it out. Lots of benefits, lots of treats. You get recipe of the month. You get newsletters, health tips, wealth of information. So see if it will be well worth your time, because you'll get to customize your own workout program. So no matter if you're on the go, you only have 15 minutes or you have an hour, the choice is yours, is to customize your own personalized workouts. The last one, all right, palms are forward and we're gonna alternate. Let's take the arm up as high as you're comfortable. You can go halfway or all the way up and take it nice and slow down. Let's just start the other one right away. Elbows soft. You might hear some cracky noises, right? That means you're alive. All right. So remember, you can stop halfway. It's okay. You can do what's right for you. You can do this with no weights. You can do this with light weights until you get the flexibility in your shoulder and the strength. So we're doing this also for about a minute. Abs in tight, knees soft. So glad you're here today. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing if you're benefiting from all these exercises. Do give a like and share comments. I'd love to hear what you would like to see more of. I'm here for you. All right, let's just do two more. And one more. Oh, fantastic. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now. Peace and love.